Tech Pro GH.
Come once again, and then maybe tell the reason why in here the TikTok videos no enko viral. We post to videos no enko viral, but tell step by step, but which me enko viral like other creators, influencers now post to enko viral. Number one, it's also how to use Creator Insight. Oko search box no about Creator Insight. The topics are trendy within that time. Your topics you have we video about it and trendy, and this oko Creator Insight topics are trendy like that million is screaming no so no. There are some certain topics more views. And I say now continue about topic in the oko now. A person actual hashtags obeying so videos no ako viral. To be me a copy tag that they are count video no so. That's the reason why Creator Insight amount. Number two, engage with other people's video. Men find you to say, opesa unkwa viral, opesa videos na obi show video, they won't engage. So ocean, for instance, ocean video. Now share other content creators videos. TikTok who say maybe I won't be panty. You push video no and come those people. And number Boama video are getting more views and likes. And you shall say engage with other people's video share. Amount of videos not like it, now leave comment and number Boama account na grow I'm one more views. Videos in the call viral. Number three, making sure say video now obey or add value. Don't just wake up say make video without say video adding value to other people's life. Say content with say like so adding value like say how obi to me grow an account, how to create TikTok account, obi and all adding value. Amadi panel like finance, how to get money online through online platforms. And then who add value. But we now say minimum sana or better sana yesa who add value. But who could now sa without so better kind of sa. There is nothing like adding value. The high tech project, your TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Subscribe my now send video the game. That's it.